Hello everybody, today we are going to bake butter chicken. The main ingredients are chicken for butter chicken, and we are going to have butter and cream. So the dry ingredients for this is going to be garam masala, um, and this is chili powder, salt, coriander powder, pepper, turmeric, and fenugreek leaves. These are dried fenugreek leaves. So those are our dry ingredients, and the wet one is going to be, we're going to have oil. I'll be adding around 3 tablespoons of oil, and this is clarified butter. You can also use cooking butter, 50 grams of cooking butter as well. I'm using clarified butter, and this is curd I'm going to use on the chicken to marinate, and we have whipped cream. So that is the wet ingredient. So with this chicken, and the other ingredient we are going to be adding is going to be ginger garlic paste and tomato puree. So tomato, I've actually boiled the tomatoes and removed the skin, so it actually looks like this once you remove it. I just wanted to show it before I make the puree. Now I'll put it in a blender and make the puree and make it a paste. So let's start with the process. So before I go with the tomato, what I'm going to do is to marinate the chicken. For the chicken, add the ginger garlic paste to it. I'll add the curd, garam masala 1 spoon, pepper powder half a spoon, coriander powder 2 spoons, chili powder 1 spoon, and then salt. Mix it all together. Let this chicken get marinated at least for 10 minutes. Before that, I'm going to go and blend the tomatoes. Beat the tomatoes now. In a hot vessel, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. To this, add the fenugreek leaf and just half a spoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. And now to this, add the marinated chicken. Close the lid to cook the chicken. So you can see that the chicken is cooked really well. See, all the gravy and the ingredients that we added got incorporated. Do not worry about the pan, the side, the things that are sticking to the pan. We'll remove it once we add the puree to it. So now add the tomato puree. to this mixture. And a little bit of turmeric powder. And half a spoon of chili powder again. Mix it all together. Now add the whipped cream. Taste for salt and add a little bit of salt if you need extra. If you do like the flavor of fenugreek, then you can go ahead and add a little bit of fenugreek to the end to make the garnishment. But if this is the first time you're tasting the fenugreek leaf, then you can try the recipe first without the additional fenugreek. And if you like the fenugreek leaf, you can add some more. It gives a different flavor to the cooking. I'm going to check on the chicken. You can see it's cooked really well. Nice and soft. Now you can see that the butter chicken is completely done. The butter chicken is completed. Please try this recipe and let us know if you like it. Please click on like if you do like it and share this recipe with your friends. For more interesting recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.